have your inside. Oh, salam alaikum. Alright, how are you? You guys have halal meat, halal food? What's your famous dish for you guys?
We call chicken kebab or serve to serve.
Serve for serve, yeah? Okay. Could you make for us a plate of serve for serve?
Yes, we make serve to serve. Serve to three sides.
Okay.
All the plate, either hummus, basmati rice, bagaganoush, salad. And the serve to serve comes with chicken, shrimp, salmon, and beef.
Wow. What's that?
Pasta?
Kofta?
Yes.
Okay.
Ground beef.
Salmon.
Shrimp, beef, chicken.
This is shrimp, yeah?
Yes.
Wow. The first time I saw the shrimp kebab.
Shrimp kebab.
Okay. Cool. For how long you doing cook?
For 18 years.
18 years.
Yeah.
You guys have a lot of Muslim customer probably, yeah?
Yes, we have.
Here, so everything is fresh.
Okay.
We have garlic
Okay.
for the garlic potatoes, so spicy potatoes, and the homemade hot sauce, garlic sauce.
Okay.
And this is veggies.
Oh, the veggie.
Yeah, it's like a broccoli, like cauliflower, and this turnips.
Turnips. Okay.
Yeah, for the side of the wraps.
Okay.
Garlic sauce, fresh garlic for garlic veggies, and this is yogurt cucumber. We call it
Okay.
tzatziki or mastakyar.
Tzatziki, okay.
And hummus,
Hummus.
bagaganoush, tabbouleh salad,
Okay.
and we have spring mix lettuce.
Okay.
Yeah,
Awesome. Awesome. Good.
everything homemade.
It usually take how long to cook
Yeah, like 7 minutes.
7 minutes, yeah? Also, they have watermelon juice, fresh watermelon juice. You're making here. This is for customer, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and also every day we make different kind of water for the customer.
Okay.
This time we make this water, but every day we change it. You know, like tomorrow maybe it's gonna be orange. Water.
Oh!
Yeah.
Today is the watermelon,
Yeah, yeah,
Awesome. This is the watermelon you put it inside, yeah?
yeah.
With ice, with everything, yeah?
Yes. Yeah.
Awesome, awesome. Fresh, cold, so amazing. Kebab, shrimp, chicken, kofta. That's amazing. Thank you so much. Our food is ready. Thanks for everything. And now we start eating halal food from Quebobs Restaurant in Los Angeles. So explain me those
Okay, this plate we call it surf and turf.
Surf and turf,
Yeah,
yeah?
so it has beef, chicken, shrimp, and salmon.
Salmon. This is salmon, yeah?
Yes.
This is shrimp.
Yeah.
Okay, let's start the shrimp. Barbecue shrimp, yeah?
Yeah.
Bismillah.
You can enjoy with garlic sauce.
Amazing. It's kind of crispy and so delicious. This is salmon.
Salmon, yeah.
Try salmon. This is the beef, yeah?
Yes, beef.
You're making own sauce here, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. No. Everything's so delicious, so professional. Wow. Juicy. This is white rice, yeah?
Yeah, that's
Basmati.
basmati rice.
Awesome. Look at the salad. Fresh salad. What's this?
Turnips.
Turnip. Okay. And here's a different salad, yeah?
Yeah. The one is tabbouleh salad.
Tabbouleh.
Fresh parsley, tomato, green onions, and bulgur.
Por favor, okay. Awesome. Let's try this one. No. It's completely different taste with this salad. Awesome. Let's try this. What's this?
It's garlic pages.
Oh, garbage.
Has different pages.
Okay. And this is tomato, yeah?
This is spicy potatoes and garlic potatoes.
Garlic potatoes, spiced potatoes. Okay. Let's try this one. Wow. It's spicy. Really good. Taste garlic inside your mouth. It's so spicy. Let's try this one. Look at this. Oh. This is almost similar, but no spicy. Let's try falafel. Wow. Amazing. It's really good. What's your address here?
It's 3560 South La Cienega.
South
On,
London.
yeah, Suite F.
Okay. How many days you guys working?
We have 7 days a week.
7 days a week?
Yeah, 10 to 12 midnight.
Okay.
Yeah, every day.
Okay. Yeah, if you guys around Los Angeles or you are travel in Los Angeles, California, Google Quebobs
Quebobs
restaurant and Los Angeles. Halal, fresh food, veggies, kebabs, falafel, and I love the salad. They have different kinds of salad, and everything is so professional, so yummy, delicious. Thanks so much for everything,
You're
brother.
welcome.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Bye.
All right. Okay, so here's some water.
Okay.
Pineapple ginger lemonade.
Okay.
Cucumber mint lemonade.
Wow. Let's try the lemonade. Cucumber. When you guys hear, definitely I recommend you guys order cucumber ginger, yeah?
No, pineapple ginger.
Pineapple ginger and cucumber ginger.
Cucumber mint.
Cucumber mince. Wow. This is a special juice they made for me. I don't know what's inside, and he told me it's really good, really healthy.
What does it taste?
Taste is awesome, kind of sourness, and I don't know what's inside, but it's really good. It's really healthy juice. Wow. I hope you guys have an amazing day. I hope you guys enjoy the halal food. We are travel city to city, country to country. That's halal food, and we're going to halal restaurant. And please subscribe our channel, share with your friend, family, and support us. Thank you so much. Have a great time. Yallah.